Hello friends, welcome to Udu's Kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you how to make juicy spicy chicken. This is quite easy and also tastes very delicious. I've already cleaned this chicken behind the camera and also put it in a strainer to drain the water from it completely. Now let's start by seasoning the chicken. First I added some mashed garlic. Next I'll be going in with some salt, chili pepper, curry powder, seasoning powder, thyme, soya sauce, oyster sauce, and lastly I will add some vegetable oil to it. After adding all the ingredients, marinate the ingredients with the chicken very well so that the ingredients can penetrate into the chicken. Next, cover with a cling film and allow to rest for between 30 minutes to an hour or more. This process helps the chicken to become very tasty. And after 2 hours of resting, I'll be bringing back the chicken, then open. And this is how our chicken look like. And now I'll be transferring them into an oven tray. And after adding all the chicken to the oven tray, I use the remaining sauce for some chopped potatoes. So I added the potatoes to the sauce, then rub the sauce with the potatoes. And after rubbing, add the potatoes also to the oven tray. Baking potatoes with the chicken is totally optional. I'm doing this because I love enjoying this recipe with potatoes. And after adding the chicken and the potatoes to the oven tray, pop the tray into the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes to an hour. And after 30 minutes, I flip up the chicken for the other side to be well baked too. I also removed the potatoes because they were ready and left the chicken for another 20 minutes. And after 50 minutes in the oven, our spicy juicy chicken is ready. This came out very beautiful and also tastes very delicious. You can see that this is quite easy, simple, and also tastes very delicious. And if you're a chicken lover, you can add this recipe to the list of your chicken recipes and see how delicious it is. Try this out and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. Please don't forget to like and share. And now you can enjoy your juicy spicy chicken at home. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. God bless.